Hello everyone, it's Jeremy with WFS Water Filtration Systems. I am here in beautiful Cap Bonita, which is actually Playa Bonita. This subdivision is called Cap Bonita, at a very large villa here, newly built, gorgeous home. And I wanted to show you the whole home filter and the RO system that we installed here for this customer. Down below their pool here, they have a utility area with a pool pump and the main water supply comes in. Pretty good sized room, obviously for the size of this home. This is the whole home system that we put in for them. This is a larger unit than we put in like the condos and the smaller homes. This is a 20R22 system, which handles 20 gallons per minute. It's got a two-stage sediment filter system and a near UV disinfection system. So we ended up plumbing this in to the main water system again, and coming out, going back in, so that this provides clean, filtered, bacteria-free water throughout the entire home here. And this home has a total of 9 bathrooms, 1 large kitchen and 2 kitchenettes, so it's a decent sized home. But it turned out very nice. And I will go and show you the RO system we put in.